Good morning, all of you. Happy Mother's Day. To me, the word mother is not, confined to just a woman. I feel it is about certain qualities, synonymous to certain qualities like love, compassion, forgiveness, and appreciation. Anyone having these beautiful qualities is a mother. Can be a little school going boy in class 7 and 8, could be a man, could be our brothers, our husbands, could be anybody, not necessarily married, but having such beautiful qualities. I feel it's so important, to have these qualities of a mother. As we grow up, we should imbibe these qualities. Um, I have always felt that, felt very happy to have uh, put an effort to inculcate these qualities. Um, in the staff room, when I go, I definitely go and pat my little ones in the staff room. Little ones means the freshers, the new teachers. I don't call them my juniors. No, I never call them that. They are the ones who are going to carry the baton forward. They're very important to me. And so I go to them. I don't bother whether they come to me or not. I go to them. I go and pat them, hug them. I carry chocolates for them. And I always make it a point to appreciate them every day. I don't think I miss out a single day unless I'm too preoccupied. I don't think. I will always flash a smile without even thinking whether they are looking at me. I try to, um, I try to put up this effort, which is very, very important to me. Appreciation is important to me in terms of anybody's good work. On my timeline, when I see my students writing so well, one of them is like a book for me. Um, Please don't mind me mentioning your name, Nandini Mehra. To me, you were my student, that wonderful little girl I knew. Then, as days passed on, you became, a very responsible student who would get back with a lot of gratitude. Today, to me, you're a book. The moment I open your timeline, it's a book. I mean, I have to read. So I'm very appreciative of everybody's work, not only hers. And I don't just like writing miserly, some nice and good. I like to reciprocate, and I like to reciprocate my people on timeline who put up some good posts, maybe not a writing but a nice post. I always appreciate if somebody's picture is nice. I always write over there, I don't write you're looking nice. I do write that I can't take my eyes off you. I really can't. I feel nice. I have a friend from Pratt Memorial Days. She writes very well, and her essence is all humor. So I basically, I feel she's worked as a psychiatrist for me. So I just don't read and put it off, or I just don't I don't just, go away without commenting. I have to do that. I don't wait back for an appreciation coming towards me, that I don't wait back, because when I do things, I do out of love. So, what I'm trying to basically say is a mother is full of all these qualities, and if we imbibe it in us, mm, we can't hold on to this concept of a mother to just a woman or just a married woman or a person who's been, who's delivered children. No, no, no. It's about everybody, just everybody. If you have compassion in you, like somebody is going through a major tragedy and her pain is beating in your heart, like it's almost like hers. If you have that kind of a compassion in you, that kind of a compassion, that you feel for that person, you can be a man and still have this sterling quality of a mother in you, because love is a word which has no gender bias. It is universally acclaimed, universally felt. So, today on Mother's Day, I want to wish each one of you, every member in this world, a great day. Let us live up to these beautiful feelings of love, compassion, forgiveness, and yes, appreciation. Let's not be jealous of each other. Let's appreciate. What is the big deal in, holding back? Please. I love you all. I want to say that it's a very special day for me. Every day is special, but yes, you know how much I love my mother. I'm sure everybody knows that. So, yes, Ma, a very special day for you. Happy Mother's Day. And I'm glad that I never did anything posthumously. I did it when you were alive, and I wish to do it for everybody. The moment should be now for appreciation, for love, for compassion. Love you all.